Okay guys, ito yung gagawin nating dinner. Pork chop. And then, ito ang part na binili kanina. Ang sarap nito. So, tanggalin lang sa plastic. O, tanggalin sa itong box. Then, i-remove mo yung foam. At i-bake. Dito yung instruction kapag sa oven or sa microwave or fryer. So, i-microwave, i-oven natin. Preheat oven to 325. Ayan, remove tray. Ayan, remove ko na to. Then, remove from the package. Remove tray from the package. Ayan, 20 to 25 minutes. So, once na 20 na, saka ko lang lutuin yung pork chop. So, unahin natin tong potato. Ganito yung itsura niya. Wala pa yan na, 20 to 25 minutes. So, ilalagay natin sa oven. Sabi, place container on a baking tray and heat in oven for 20 to 25 minutes or until hot. Okay. So, let's see. Pork chop. Tuloy natin kapag 15 minutes na yung potato. Nilagay ko na yung pork chop. Potato 17 minutes to go. It's done. Thank you. Alright, eating time. Thank you all for watching. Bye-bye.